Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix an eSIM that's stuck on activating on iPhone. First, turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Next, restart your iPhone to refresh the connection. If it's still activating, go to Settings, tap Cellular, select your eSIM line, and toggle it off. Then back on. This helps re-establish the network connection. If the problem continues, try Reset Network Settings or check for any carrier or iOS updates. And if none of these steps work, contact your carrier since activation issues often need to be fixed on their end. And that's it. That's how to fix an eSIM stuck on activating on iPhone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.